Very good morning, dear friends. I, Praful Dabi, welcome you all in the channel Zero to Infinity. This is the journey with Praful Dabi. My dear friends, this is our episode number 76 on the cryptocurrency, that is the need of the hour. This is coming under the current affairs series for the world. And this is the first ever episode under this series. And this is the need of the hour. My dear friends, this is our legal disclaimer. If you haven't read it, kindly read it once. Thank you very much, dear friends, for your kind affection and the suggestions. Hope you have read the legal disclaimer and enjoyed the episodes and the playlist on the various dimensions of the human life. My dear friends, by this particular channel, we have covered many dimensions of our human life and the human existence, and it will cover in the future also. My dear friends, I also believe that you are working on it free of cost, yet very powerful logical techniques for your own benefit. Welcome in the current affairs series. Welcome in a new world. What is the meaning of the cryptocurrency? I believe that it is spread in almost all the countries. None of the corner has been balanced with the cryptocurrency. Dear friends, this is a new type of the currency for the digital age of the today. Okay, no problem at all. This is spreading in the super speed. Very fast speed is there, and now emerging from the back stage to the front stage in most of the countries. Earlier the people were hiding the cryptocurrency from the governments, etc. But nowadays the things has been changed. The cryptocurrency, which were playing the vital role in the back, is emerging now in the front. Dear friends, now it is the correct time in which we have to include the modern science and ancient wisdom together so that the magical rise of the humanity can be there. This is the correct need of the hour on which we have to have think so that our humanity can rise. It should not, it must not fall. Dear friends, there are many types of the cryptocurrencies are there, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, etc. There are many of the types, but the basic fundamental things are always remain the same. The spread and the pressure is so high that the government want to not deny it, but only want to control it. It is going beyond the power of the governments. The power of the capitalistic culture, the power of the big bulls are so high that, and the power of the people, the power of the citizens are so high that the governments do not want to deny it. They want to accept it, but with some of the restriction under some of the legal channels. And this is, we can say, another white man's burden for the white people. White not from the color at all, white from the inner, white from the soul, white from the heart, white from the mind. Dear friends, let us talk about the freedom first. First, the freedom of the will, given by the Almighty God, given by the Allah, given by the Yahweh, given by the Krishna, given by the God to the human. The freedom of the will is given to all the persons. Now it is completely of your own responsibility what you will do with that freedom of the will. Then came the democracy, or the democratic way of the politics. The politics earlier also was there, like the kingdom, etc. But after some centuries ago, democratic way of the politics has emerged in our humanity. A governance of the people, for the people, and by the people. Now, God freedom, democratic way of the politics. Now, another thing. There was one great economist, Mr. Adam Smith, emerged in the capitalistic culture. He has done a hypothesis that every customer is intelligent and the wise enough that he or she can take the wise decision from him for himself. This means in this cutthroat competition of the economy, in this economical environment, a customer, whether it is illiterate or literate, that is wise enough to take the decision for himself or herself. This means the freedom of the village is spreading like hell. The God has given the freedom, the political system has given you the freedom, then the Adam Smith has given you the freedom in the economical dimension. Now, what about the cryptocurrency? Ideally, it is just like another form of the freedom. A currency of the people, a currency for the people, and the currency by the people. No government is in between, no institution is in between, no bank is in between. Great thing. It looks like say natural upbringing of the humanity or natural rise of the humanity. It's just like that only. My dear friends, but what is the practically? This is just a theoretical world in which we can say that cryptocurrency is for the people, of the people and by the people. But what is the practically? The cryptocurrency neither of the people, neither for the people and neither by the people. There is a big doubt on it, there is a big question on it. My dear friends, because this particular currency, this particular cryptocurrency is beyond the legal system, this is beyond the governments, this is highly beneficial for the black marketing person, this is highly beneficial for the black money workers, this is highly beneficial for the terrorists, this is highly beneficial for the godfathers, this is highly beneficial for the person who are dealing with the black energy, negative energy or the satanic energy or the demonic energy or the Luciferian energy. My dear friends, that's why we can say that yes, it is representing the dark dimension, the dark world, the black world, dark web or the satanic wealth. I am repeating the word, yes, it is a type of the black energy, this is a type of the satanic wealth. My dear friends, this is the channel Zero to Infinity is a pure spiritual channel. That's why we will not hide ourselves to talk about the spirituality, to talk about the religious concept, to talk about the black and white, to talk about the demonic or the deity. Dear friends, earlier we have talked about the freedom of the will given by the God, political freedom, economical freedom and the freedom given by the cryptocurrency to the normal persons, normal citizens. Now let us look about the another dimension of the cryptocurrency. True values. What is the meaning of the true values? The first humanity loosened the sensitivity of the true values. What are the true values? Spiritual value are the highest form of the true values. Humanity loosened the sensitivity of the true values. Spiritual value we fall, religious value we fall, moral values, yes, this is a bitter truth, but yes, we as a humanity fall from the moral values also. And what we have done afterwards, we have loosened our true values, but what we have done, we started worshipping of the outer materialistic items, money, etc. Our mindset has become the materialistic. If I have the big car, if I am using the aeroplane, if I have a big yacht, if I have a big and the luxury lifestyle, this means in today's world I will be symbolized as a good person, a rich person. But it may be possible that my luxury may be due to something black money or etc. But we do not want to think about it at all. If you have a luxury car, this means you are a good person and everybody will listen to you. Some of the billionaire persons are there who do not want to give the tax to the governments by whatever is the reason. A common man like you and me are giving at least 30 to 50% tax to the government. But some of the rich persons, some of the billionaires do not want to feed the governments at all. But no problem. That will be discussed in the another channel, or sorry, another episode. But after falling from the true values like the spiritual value, religious value and the moral value, we start worshipping the material only, like gold, car, luxury lifestyle, etc. And in nutshell we can say true values of the mankind were lost, and that is really a shameful thing. To regulate the economy, the currency was made. To regulate the economy, currency was made, which was regulated and authenticated by the governments or the billionaires. The governments regulate the currency in the form of the currency notes, gold coins, government bond, debenture, etc. And some of the billionaires in the ancient also, in today's world also, they are starting their own bond, own self-sealed papers, their own debenture, etc. But whatever is the thing, two things are very common. Number one is the authentication by a correct person, by a big person on which we can trust. A common man can trust on that person or the institution or the government. Second one is the regularization. This means two keywords are there: regularization and the authentication. Now we have made the currency, but what about the spread of the currency? The capitalism started and accelerated the fall of the inner values and the fast spread of the materialistic mentality. Now, as per the capitalistic mindset, I am just a customer on which the companies want to focus, that what I should drink I have to guided by the some persons, what I have to eat I have to guided by the some of the person, what I have to purchase. There are the thousand suggestions given by the capitalistic companies to common man. They are deciding now what I have to drink, what I have to feed, what I have to purchase. So dear friends, capitalistic mindset is also a good, but this is one dimensional good. Finally we have to think about the good or the betterment of the human, betterment of the common people, betterment of the earth. Dear friends, the capitalistic mindset has started and accelerated the fall of the inner values and the fast spread of the materialistic mentality. What happens afterwards? Worldwide share market trading was there, and that has been started and started to give dents to the national economies. Earlier the 190 nations were regulating their own economy, but after share market trading internationally, the dent of the USA is affecting the India, China, etc. This means we all are connected, and this is a very good thing also, that we all are connected. If the internet was not there, I am not able to express my views to my dear friends or my dear friends. The share market trading started to give dents to the national economies, and there was a great example in the 1930 great economical depression was there, and also the similar kind of the great depression in the economy we have faced near about 4 or 5 years ago. My dear friends, yes, the cryptocurrency has power to collapse the economy in the totality. Repeating my words, cryptocurrency has power to collapse the economy in the totality if not regulated and authenticated by the billionaires, institutions or governments. It will just churn off and the wipe off the economy of a common man, a common person, a common citizen, because nobody owns it. We can say, who is owning? Not me, not me. Who is regulating it? Not me, not me. And this is a very dangerous phenomenon that you cannot caught hold of any of the person if you just think in the whole of the economics. Dear friends, we have discussed about the freedom, we have discussed about the true values. Now let us start thinking in the very practical manner, very practical, yet logical too. My dear friends, what you have, someone have gold or the land like tangible things. If you have the car, yacht, ship, aeroplane, gold or the acres of the land, hectares of the land, yes, you have some kind of the tangible things, the things which you can see, you can own, you can feel, you can touch. Another dimension, industry have some kind of the assets and the patents. They have some inbuilt share values. It may be possible that I am working in the oil industry, oil refinery. My refinery has near about 20 or 30,000 billion dollar asset with itself. Yes, someone have the gold like the tangible things, some industries have the some assets. Government have the sovereign power to collect the tax and hence can provide a commitment in the form of the currency. The currency is not a paper piece at all. In all the nations' currency, what is written in that? Normally, the government or the economical institution, government economical institution write a line that yes, we commit to give suppose $100 to that person. That is the commitment given by the government. And why the government can give that commitment? Because it has the sovereign power to collect the tax. I am giving in the India 30% tax. Okay, after that I save my money, my hard earned money by cutting my needs, and I save some money. Government gives me some interest, and on the interest itself I give the 30% tax. Another cut. Whatever some money I have, once again I give tax whenever I buy a product from the market. Near about that is the 18% goods and the service tax. This means in the nutshell I can say 50% plus money of a common man, of a common person, of a common citizen is taken by government if you are honest. But if someone is a billionaire and a black marketing person, there are many of the chartered accountants who will save his money and he will give hardly 2 or 3 or 5% tax and he will hide his money. But if I am a honest person, if I am a true person, if I am a good person, I have to give at least 50% of my money as a tax to the governments. So dear friends, the governments have sovereign power to collect tax. That's why it is providing a commitment in the form of the currency. But let us think about the cryptocurrency. What authenticity it has. Instead of boasting, it can just boast. Nothing it has. No gold coin, no tangible things, no commitments, no assets, nothing. And in the lighter language I can say no thread, no cotton and the weavers are fighting with each other. No thread, no cotton, and the weavers are fighting with each other. Dear friends, this money made from the air will vanish in the air. Take my words. In the couple of the years or the couple of the decades, almost 6,000 of the cryptocurrencies are there, and that the majority of them will be wiped off. Dear friends, I know that Bitcoin mining has some kind of the assets. You have the super computers, you have the you have the computer farms as a assets. I know, but as a common man I can see there is no tangible things, no asset. Many few of the persons are mining, but most of the persons have the cryptocurrency or the Bitcoin or Ethereum. That is not the tangible, no assets at all, and no final guaranteecity or the authenticity at all. And dear friends, kindly be aware of that. Another dimension, that is a 100% spiritual and the religious dimension. The cryptocurrency has power of raising the greed. This is the one among 7 deadly sins at Christianity, and whether it is Abrahamic religion like Jewish, Christianity, Muslim, or Hinduism, or Sikhism, Jainism, no religion want that a man, a human, should a greedy person. Yes, it is among 7 deadly sins, and we have to have regulated by our own willpower, by our own commitment. Otherwise, to do the action is in your hand, but whatever will be the reaction, that will be not in your hand at all. My dear friends, another beautiful dimension about the cryptocurrency. If I want grain from my land, the grain produces in the months, the agriculture crops that required months to fully ripe off. If you are doing the mining, that takes time and the assets. If you have the new idea like the Facebook, Google, Ola, Uber, Zomato like things, if you have a new idea, that also takes some time to make the money. But have you observed that the cryptocurrency just get 100%, 200% growth in some days or some weeks? Is there any kind of the specific reason for that? Dear friends, think. This is a humble request to all my viewers to think about it. If everything, whether it is a grain, mining, new idea, that is taking some time, what things the cryptocurrency have that it is just increasing 100, 200% in some days. Even the share market, even the mutual fund are not going like this. Dear friends, yes, as a trusted word, I can say it is a farming of the greed. I am farming your greed. This is the only thing. And one fine morning, you will get a sudden shock, and all will just go in the moments. The money made from the air will vanish in the air. And I am not boasting at all. I am talking very logically. Just few days ago, there was a cryptocurrency named Squad cryptocurrency that was based on some game of the South Korea, Squad game. The cryptocurrency was made on the name of that particular famous game. Can you imagine that thousands of the crore rupees, thousands of the millions of the dollars, billions of the dollars were wiped off in 10 minutes. 99.99% devaluation was there in just 10 minutes. You were sleeping, and one fine moment you are awaking, and your money, your hard earned money, just wipe off. Can you tolerate it? My dear friends, think many times. If we are thinking about the risk factor, cryptocurrency has extreme risk. If you are putting your money in the bank that is giving some kind of the interest rate, that is less risky. Fixed deposit, there is comparatively more risky. Share market and the mutual funds, comparatively more risky than the bank interest rates. If you are doing this betting or the speculation or gambling, that is also the risky and more risky than the share market. But the cryptocurrency has the highest risk factor. It is greater risk factor than the gambling. Kindly take care of yourself and beware of the 7 deadly sin. Beware of the greed. Dear friends, in most of the country, the citizens, the people, the common men are looking care by the governments. One fine morning, what will happen if all the digital economics, the cryptocurrency balloon get burst? What you will do? In most of the nations, whether it is a socialistic country, whether it is a capitalistic country, if the agriculture crops get destroyed, the government save the people. If someone gets the accidental death, government gives some kind of compensation to the people. If the company, industry, banks, economy gets sink, the government gives some kind of the bailout package to save his own people. But if this cryptocurrency balloon get destroyed, who will save you? Can you afford? If all money go and vanishes in the minutes? Dear friends, the government is one-step solution of all the problems. Yes, it is a truth. But if you bypass the government for your own greed, why the government should save you? This is a big question for you. The greed is of yours. You want money, 100-200% of the money in just the weeks. But risk factor you want to procrastinate to the government. It's not good. The government will not own it at all because you are bypassing the government. In some of the countries, it may be possible in the future the government will authenticate or the regulate. Then we can get some kind of the light in the darkness. Dear friends, but everything is good for some of the persons. If there is a cryptocurrency, that is not good for me like honest person, me like a truth binding person, a common man, a common person. But the cryptocurrency is very good for the person who are playing with the black money. Cryptocurrency is very good in the terror funding. Cryptocurrency is very good in the demonic wealth or the satanic wealth. It is a better form of the money laundering. If you want to purchase a pistol from the drug market or the dark web, yes, cryptocurrency will help you. If you want to get a drug at your home delivered by some of the courier partners, some godfather, yes, the cryptocurrency will help you. If you are a dark web user, cryptocurrency will help you. If you are a government which is not liked by rest of the governments like North Korea, you can get even the missiles, you can get even the nuclear weapons online by this cryptocurrency. That's why the Laden, like the terrorist Abdul Qadir, type of the nuclear scientist, criminal nuclear scientist from the Pakistan, or the some of the presidents, some of the institutions like the ISIS, terror organizations, or the godfathers. These are the people who like it, who will like it. But as a common man, whether you like it or not like it, whether you have to trust it or not trust it, we have discussed in the detail. Dear friends, till now I have spoken very bitter truth about the cryptocurrency, but as a positive mindset, whether I will make some kind of the acceptance about the cryptocurrency, whether a common man, a common person, a common citizen can trust on the cryptocurrency. Yes, if in the future, in the present, 100% transparency happens, then yes, we can trust on the cryptocurrency. If it is being regulated by the institution or billionaires or companies or the governments, if it is being regularized and the authentication given by the big bulls, governments, institutions, billionaires, companies, yes, I will be the first person who will just make some kind of the investment in the cryptocurrency also, because I am getting some kind of the trust. I will increase my portfolio, just like I am investing in the gold, land, etc. I will some kind of the value I will invest in the cryptocurrency also, no problem at all. But if no one owns it, my dear friends, if no one owns it, don't sink in the black hole of the cryptocurrency. Dear friends, by this particular slide, I can only say one word: silence speaks when the word cannot. Silence speaks when the words cannot. Some of the things I cannot say in the public platform, but I am bound to show this particular slide at least till the next 30 seconds, and you can pause it to understand it. Every word has some meaning. Every photo has some meaning. Choice is of yours. 100% your choice, your own consequences. And all my dear friends who are serious enough for the positive powers of the Armageddon, that will read a particular letter on the internet, Albert Pike's 3 World War letter, that was published in the 1871, near about 150 years ago. But how much truth has been hidden in that particular A4 size letter, you can see it. My dear friends, at last, if a person cannot understand after a stumble, after falling, it's his own luck. Otherwise, the stones played its own responsibility. Choice is of yours. Choice is very individual to use the cryptocurrency or not use the cryptocurrency. Whether you want to use this satanic wealth, demonic wealth, black energy, supporting wealth, it's of your choice. Dear friends, these are the spiritual science concepts to make a better world. Let's go together. These are the concepts to make the Eden Garden. These are the concepts to bring the Eden Garden on this planet. I have the full faith that yes, the earth can be a better place, can become a better place to live. And this faith I want to raise in you. Knowing is good, but doing is always better. The current affairs series for the world will continue. At last, the positive powers will win in the Armageddon in between the positive and negative powers, At last the world will be peaceful and will develop like the Eden Garden. The Eden Garden of the people, by the people and for the people. Let's go together, my dear friends. This is a very individual choice to follow the deity, positive, white or godly energy, or demonic, negative, black or the satanic energy. Dear friends, it is a very individual choice, not of the government, not of an institution, not of your organization, to follow Lord Kalki, true Messiah, Al-Mahdi, world teacher, or the second coming of the Christ, or Antichrist, false Messiah, Al-Dajjal, or Kali Demon. Choice is very individual and the consequences are also very individual. Dear friends, if there is any kind of questions, doubt, feedback, suggestions, all critics are there that can be sent at the davi.praful@gmail.com. You may be the Homer Simpson from the Chicago or the Dr. Princess Jasmine from the Jerusalem. You may be any of the person, anything under this sky can be asked from your own friend for your own channel, Zero to Infinity. Dear friends, thank you very much for the watching. Happy times and good day, my dear friends. I, Praful Dabi, bow to you. I bow to the God hidden in you.